name is Jen and welcome to Lean Bella's Kitchen. So today I'm making something that I have available. This is towards the end of the week and I'm trying to clean up like my pantry, my fridge, and then I found this angel hair pasta and I also have some pasta sauce. Why not, right? It makes life a little bit easier. Just get a store-bought pasta sauce. Just make sure that you get a good quality pasta sauce. So I'm using that, and I always have garlic and onion and tomatoes. So I'm gonna use that, put that together with this pasta sauce and the angel hair. So it's really simple. I'm just think about this. The end of the week and maybe towards the weekend that you want to go grocery shopping. So first, when you do that, I would suggest just to check whatever you have first, so you're not coming home and having, duplicate everything. Like, oh, I already have this, I already have this cheese, I already have this pasta, whatever canned goods that you bought, you already have it in your cupboard. So why have more of those that you already have? So check your pantries, your cupboards, your fridge first, and then go grocery shopping. So that's what I've done this week. So I put together this angel hair pasta with the spaghetti sauce that I use this shredded rotisserie chicken. So let's go ahead and make it. Roll the basil leaves like cigar and then chop them, and you're gonna get this really nice ribbon, and this is what we call chiffonade. Use one onion and chop it. Use 2 tomatoes and dice them. And then use about 3 cloves of garlic and mince them. Then heat the pot with oil. Add the onion and saute until tender or translucent. Then add the garlic and continue sauteing. Add salt and red chili pepper flakes and Italian seasoning. I also added a little bit of soy sauce. Added tomatoes, and I use shredded rotisserie chicken. I also use store-bought spaghetti sauce, and then I rinsed the jar and I added the water into the pot. And add some brown sugar. Cover and simmer for about 15 minutes. Then add the pasta. You can use whatever pasta you want. I use angel hair. And then I garnish them with the basil. And then to serve, you can add a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Okay, so isn't that simple enough? And you are also minimizing any waste because you're checking your pantry and fridge first before grocery shopping. So you're not buying more of what you already have. So that is also one thing to think about when you really want to save and stay within your budget, and it's also delicious. So my lovelies, make this and let me know what you think. Snap a picture, post it in the comments, and I love to see what you made. And if you have family and friends that need help with home cooking, please share this video. For more recipes, head on to leanbellaskitchen.com. Until then, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.